In a world where knowledge is power and privacy is the ultimate currency, the Internet has presented both opportunities and challenges. While information has become readily accessible, centralization and data breaches have become ubiquitous. The current centralized web, known as Web 2, has been revealed to be susceptible to exploitation, manipulation, and censorship. But there is a new era of technology on the horizon, Web 3. Web 3 represents a paradigm shift in the way information, assets, and applications are stored and exchanged. It is a decentralized, peer-to-peer network of nodes that eliminates the requirement for intermediaries. By utilizing blockchain technology, Web 3 delivers a secure and novel method to safeguard and transact information, assets, and applications. With Web 3, individuals gain complete control over their data, enabling direct transactions with each other without the need for a central authority or middleman. One of the defining features of Web 3 is its decentralized infrastructure, which makes it invulnerable to single points of failure. Data is stored across a network of nodes instead of in a centralized repository, making Web 3 more secure and trustworthy, even in the face of hacks or data breaches. Privacy is another defining characteristic of Web 3. With a privacy-focused architecture, users have the ability to control access to their data, preventing malicious actors from exploiting it. Web 3 is the future of decentralized technology. It provides a secure and private environment for exchanging information, assets, and applications. Whether you're an individual seeking to protect your privacy or a business looking to enhance your cybersecurity, Web 3 offers a new and exciting way to navigate the digital landscape. Breaking free from the constraints of centralization, Web 3 is a powerful and innovative solution for a more secure and private digital world. But what does this mean for our daily lives? Say goodbye to the days of constantly worrying about your personal information being stolen during online transactions. With Web 3, you are in control of your data and who has access to it. And what about digital assets? With Web 3, you have the power to manage and transfer your digital assets with complete security and privacy. But Web 3 is not just about transactions and privacy. It's about creating a more inclusive and decentralized digital world. With Web 3, communities can come together to collaborate and create new applications, without being limited by centralized structures. Web 3 is about empowering individuals and communities, providing a secure and private environment for exchanging information and assets, and building a better digital future. So what are you waiting for? Join the Web 3 revolution and take control of your digital life today.